Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Jubilation knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over. I'm just going to put in a dimple here. We're going to come over to the center. And we're going to come up and over like this. And then we're going to leave it down like that. And then I'm going to twist it where we have that right there. So we have this so far. I'm going to take the tail back here. And then I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to come up and over like that. Then I'm going to bring it over to this side. And then I'm going to bring it over like this, fold it in half. So there we have that. So we kind of have this like this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wreath over here like this and bring it down. Then I'm going to do a wreath. I'm going to bring it through here like this, back up through the bottom. Then I'm going to put a wreath up underneath this. Go ahead and put the collar down, and there you have the Jubilation knot. Again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully, wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next tutorial video. Again, check out Instagram, SimmonsEssentials, for all the tie knot photos. Peace and God bless.